Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shampoos for dry hair that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo. If tending to damage is at the top of your list, then you'll love this keratin protein and argan oil infused shampoo. This works on fine, medium, and thick hair textures and all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, and coily. For natural hair, ingredients like lavender, rosemary, and chamomile will nurture and revive the hair, bringing it back to life after damage. Rosemary will also promote healthy hair growth at the root. The keratin proteins improve the hair's elasticity, which is a necessity for curly and coily hair, especially if it's become dry and brittle over time from tons of heat styling. Moving on at number 4, we have the Redken Extreme Shampoo. If your hair could use some major TLC and you're currently stressing over breakage, split ends, dullness, brittle, or coarse hair, or all of the above, this shampoo is the solution. Not only will it repair damage already done to your hair, but it will also prevent future damage so it won't happen again. Think of it as hair insurance in a bottle. This shampoo features Redken's Strength Complex that contains amino acids and arginine to build back your hair's strength one wash at a time, plus citric acid to give it that healthy shine. If you heat style your hair a ton, this shampoo should be in your rotation ASAP. Just keep in mind that because this is a strengthening shampoo, overuse can cause hair to dry out, so it's best to use it in tandem with a more gentle shampoo. At number 3, we have the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. If you're regularly coloring your hair, then you're aware of how pricey it can get. After getting your hair dyed, you want to make sure that all those big bucks spent weren't a lost cause and that the color will stay looking vibrant and fresh through many washes to come. Your new shower sidekick? This hydrating Pureology shampoo. This 100% vegan formula is ideal for medium to thick hair types and keeps your hair color looking like you got it done yesterday, seriously. The star ingredients, jojoba, green tea, and sage, are perfect for stimulating the scalp and nourishing the hair follicles right down to the root. At number 2, we have the OGX Thick and Full Plus Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. This nutrient-rich shampoo is ready to give your hair the va-va-voom you've been lusting for. It consists of a blend of biotin and wheat proteins that will make your hair look fuller and also promote healthy hair growth with time. What gets your hair looking visibly thicker? Vitamin B7 and collagen. Both are soaked in by each strand of hair to appear plumper and fuller post-shower. Similar to how the skin soaks up collagen for plumpness, so do the hair follicles. Finally, all the goodness is wrapped in a sweet and flowery fragrance that'll linger long after you've hopped out of the shower. And finally at number 1, we have the Oribe Serene Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Oribe is a fan-favorite hair care brand and for good reason. Although the price point is steep, their incredibly well-made products will give your hair new life. Their range offers a ton of products for various hair types and concerns. The key ingredient in this anti-dandruff shampoo is salicylic acid. It'll tackle flakes like a champ and prevent them from forming in the future. Bilberry fruit and sugar maple extracts simultaneously soothe any itchiness on the scalp for lasting relief. This also works well for scalp acne. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.